Hey everyone, I'm Brian Kearns. I am currently a teacher at Central High School in Grand Junction, Colorado. My specialty is Spanish. I teach Spanish 1, Spanish 3, and AP Spanish. And I'm currently in the process of trying to get an AP Spanish literature course approved for our school as well. Just some fun facts about me. Let's see, I'm married and have 3 kids. My oldest is going to be turning 7 here this summer, and my youngest 2 are twins. They'll be turning 4 during the summer as well. I'm also a high school cross country and track coach, so March is going to be a really busy time for me. March, April, and May, we're getting our kids ready to qualify for the state meet in May. But I love running. I run with the kids and stuff still. Let's see, other fun things about me. I'm really excited to be taking this course. I've been doing a lot of curriculum stuff anyways. We don't have a set curriculum for our district for Spanish, and so I've been doing a lot of that since I've been hired here 5 years ago, developing our Spanish 1 curriculum and Spanish 3, and especially the AP curriculum. I'm really big into how we can use that curriculum to build relationships with students and how to prepare them best to succeed beyond the classroom. But that's pretty much all about me. I look forward to meeting y'all. Thanks.